One. Hello, boys.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today you're having your final test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now please tell me what is your name and how old are you? Okay, answer first.
My name is Jingnam. I'm
My-
8 years old.
Very good.
My name is Sangsha. I'm 8 years old.
Very good.
My name is Dinh Nguyễn. I'm 8 years old.
Very good. Okay, now tell me where are you from?
I'm from Ha Tinh City, Vietnam.
Very good.
I'm from Ha Tinh City, Vietnam.
I'm from Ha Tinh City, Vietnam.
Very good. And what school do you go to?
I go to but I go to
Yes.
school, primary school.
Okay, what school do you go to?
I go to primary school.
Tanchang Primary School. And you?
I go to school.
I go to
Okay, boys, turn back. Look at the picture. Okay, now tell me, what is it?
eraser.
Very good.
Boom.
Balloon.
Sunglasses.
Okay, very good.
Elephant.
Very good.
Radio.
Radio. Very good.
Egg.
Egg and
Basketball.
basketball. What is it again?
Basketball.
Okay, look at this next picture. How many TV are there? How many TV are there?
TV.
One.
One TV. Okay. Where is the TV? Next to
Next to
bookcase. Okay. What is it?
car.
Car. How many cars?
Two cars.
Two cars. And what is the baby doing?
One baby.
One baby. And what is
One is baby.
one? And she is or he is
Baby.
sleeping. Okay. What are they doing? They are
They are
playing.
playing.
Okay. What is it? Mat. What color is the mat?
Blue.
Blue and
Yellow.
yellow. What is it?
Chair.
Chair. How many chair?
One.
One. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.